So I'm here starting a new video and you can see my mess. I am doing like another video right now, but we are going to Kohl's today. I want to look at some of their clothing. I haven't been there forever, so let's go. I wanted to show you my outfit, but look at literally, like my dog's already messed it up. I've had this shirt on for like 2 seconds. Anyways, my name is Jennifer. If you're new here, I love to share fashion and beauty, and so we're gonna go to Kohl's. I have to run a couple errands before that, but eventually we'll make it to Kohl's, and I may even look at Sephora. Let's go. Also, I wanted to say, if you like this type of video, but if you would hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So let's do this. Okay, so here I am standing in the dressing room. I'm in my Walmart gear actually, and my Adidas tennis shoes. I did come here with the intention of trying on activewear stuff. So some of the items that you see will be Kohl's brands, and some will be like other brands like Under Armour, Adidas, Nike, stuff like that. So here we go. So this first item is from Adidas. The top is from Adidas actually, and it is like perforated. It's this gorgeous yellow. Love the yellow. You can definitely sport your cute little sports bra underneath. It's very light and airy. I just didn't feel comfortable in it, and I got a size extra large, and I just felt like it was just riding up. I wouldn't be able to run or do anything without like me having to pull it down. So, and then the skirt is, I believe that was from Under Armour. No, it wasn't Under Armour. I believe it was Tech Gear actually. And it was fitting a little small on me for an extra large. I was kind of surprised. So I will pass on this outfit. Okay, cute so colors, I wanted to say that this whole entire outfit is from cute for summer Tech Gear. And now the shirt is from the regular size section. I got an extra large, and I love how it comes up. It's just very, very flattering around the neckline. I love any shirts that are high neck, and then it just like frames your like shoulders and your neckline so beautiful. Now the shorts are from the plus size section. I decided to walk over to the plus size section, and I grabbed a 1X in these, and they're actually pretty big, which is surprising for me. And I feel like you can see through them. I don't know if it's just the material. I actually think it is the material. It's very light and thin, as where the top is it's more of a thicker material, and it's like a ribbed type material. The shorts are like your normal airy shorts. So again, we'll pass on the shorts on this one. Love the top though. And then the top on this one was my very favorite. It's from Under Armour. Almost bought this one until I saw the price. It was like $40, and I feel like you can go to the outlet or someplace else and get this Under Armour shirt fairly inexpensive. Under Armour runs sales all the time, but very light. It would be sweat wicking for if you're going to do a workout outside, which I tend to do more of. Like I said, I tend to do more of during the summertime, so I think it would be perfect if you don't want to just sport your sports bra and you want a shirt to go over it. I'm wearing the same Tech Gear shorts, so you can kind of see that those shorts are high-waisted, but it accentuates a lot. So again, pass on the shorts. I put this on the list of items that I want to buy for myself for the Under Armour shirt. So yeah, Okay, so this next outfit is also a tech gear outfit. This whole entire outfit is. The shorts are from the regular size. Now, I think these were cut a little bit different. And they are in a size extra large, so they're a little bit small on me, along with the shirt is a little bit small on me also. I would like the shirt to be a little bit more oversized. However, I don't think I would wear this as a workout shirt. I would wear it more as like an everyday shirt, if it was a little bit bigger on me. I feel like it's a cotton material and it's not gonna take away sweat at all from you. So again, a pass on this one, but I do love the colors of the blue and the purple. I'm absolutely drawn to the lavender on this one, and I just wish it would have worked. But yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and it's okay. Now, as I was leaving, I actually walked over to the shoe section thinking that I would go look at some of their sneakers, but I got attracted to sandals. So here are some clips of some of the sandals that I tried on. They're totally not athletic type sandals, but that's okay. These are from Steve Madden Girl. I did take a picture of the box. Also, they had quite a few colors in these, and they were so very comfortable. If you have a wide foot, I think you would still love these also. And then the next shoes were from, I stuck my foot in these and I was like, oh my gosh, I need these right now. They're from Naturalizer and they were like the most comfortable shoes that I've put on my foot for like, for besides like sneakers, in a while. So these are very comfortable, have more colors in these also, but I was just attracted to the tan, and then the light tan also. I feel like they would go with everything. And then here's just a picture of the box. And then the last ones that I tried on were Toms. I felt like they were a little bit clunky for my liking. They made my foot look really big, but they were also very comfortable with the platform. It is so hot today. Like you can tell I'm melting. So Kohl's had some really cute activewear. The Under Armour shirt I actually almost bought. It was like $40. I think it was on sale, but I'm not sure. But I want to check online to see if they have any sales going on. Or if not, I might make a trip out to the outlet to see if they have that shirt. Shorts were a no-go. The skirt was a no-go. Little too short for me. But a lot of their activewear is cute. So the Kohls that I stopped at were putting the Sephora in, so it wasn't open yet, which is okay because that saved me money because I probably would buy. But anyway, next time I make a trip out to Kohl's, I intentionally wore sports bra today because I knew I wanted to look at only their activewear. So the next time I make a trip out to Kohl's, I will look at their dresses. But today was activewear. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, I will probably post sooner than over on YouTube. So if you don't follow me, put it down here, down below what it is. And yeah, so hopefully you like this type of video. It seems like you guys do. Well, where you want me to go, because I am up for anything. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.